Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching idle and making a quick backup of the idlerk folder. This protects your settings. Once done, open Options, then Configure Idle. This is where themes live. Make sure you are in the Highlights tab so you can change colors immediately. You don't need extra packages yet. Idle supports custom themes. Create a new theme entry name and get ready to switch background and foreground values for the editor and shell. Now you'll create the dark theme step by step. Add a new highlight theme, give it a clear name, then change the editor background to a dark hex value and set normal text to a high contrast light color. Adjust Python, comment, string, and error colors so syntax remains readable. Once configured, click Apply and Save. If you prefer manual control, close Idle and edit Config Main. CFG inside. Idlerk, modify color entries directly, then reopen Idle to see changes. Finish by selecting your new theme as the active highlight theme, then restart Idle so both the editor and shell render with the new colors. Run a few snippets to confirm syntax highlighting and error colors are visible. Adjust font size or caret color if needed for clarity. If the theme won't apply, make sure Idlerk isn't write protected and that your config main CFG isn't corrupted. Rename it to force Idle to regenerate defaults, then reapply your dark settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.